Basic Guide for Beginners covers the most used functions for Blender. After clicking the icon of Blender, a welcome window is shown. Note that version 2.82 is used here. Welcome picture may be different for different versions. Below the welcome picture, there are three major parts. In this part, any recent files you worked on can be opened quickly. To open files which are not recent worked on, you need use the Open function. To create a new file, use buttons in this part. The first button is General, which build 3D models, is not used here. In this tutorial, only one button of video editing is always used. After clicking the button of video editing, 5 panels are shown. It also contains 2 controlling components. Blender provides many menus. 2 menus are important to video editing. One is the main menu. The other is submenu for sequencer, which is the most used in video editing. Let us open a video by clicking Add Video in the submenu for sequencer. Now you see, a video is added to the sequencer panel, where is the major place for video editing. Holding and moving the scroll bar is a method to move the video. To move the video, another method is holding the middle mouse button and moving the mouse left or right. To zoom in or zoom out the sequencer panel, use the middle mouse button. Move the mouse into sequencer panel and scroll the middle button up or down. Now let me use the middle mouse button to zoom and move the video to a comfortable position. There is a vertical line, which represents the end frame for playing the video. Let us play this video. The end frame number is 250. You see, the whole video is not played entirely. To get the last frame number of the video, click the triangle in the end of the video. You see, the number of 500 is shown. To change the end frame number, change the end field to 500. Let us play again. During the previewing, it will be paused if the pause button is clicked. Here, the start field can be changed too. Let us play again. The preview range now is changed from frame 300 to 500. Let us change the end frame number to the default value of 1. There are 2 buttons in the navigation panel which allow you to jump the current frame to the first and the last frame easily. Let me summarize what I talked in the sequencer panel. There are 2 methods to move the movie. One is moving the scrolling bar. The other method is holding mouse middle button and moving the mouse. To zoom in or out the video, scroll the mouse middle button, up or down. There are 3 important buttons in the navigation component. This is the play button to preview the video. The vertical line represents the current frame. There are 2 buttons to jump the current frame to the first and the last frame. There are 3 frame numbers which represent the current frame number, the first and the last frame numbers. In the next video, I will continue to talk the basic guide. Thanks for taking time to watch this topic. If you do like my channel, X Science, please subscribe, comment, and share the videos to your friends. I hope you guys have a wonderful day.